Pandesal. We got this at Jackie store. $2 for 10 pieces, guys. So, napakasarap nito, guys. Bumili kami dalawa. This is Pandesal Filipino bread. So good. And this one, bake fresh sherry. And then this one is for the salad. Coconut cake. And more. So this is our, and then butter cookies. So that's our snacks for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.